Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Zubair, and in today's video I will show you how to map a network drive using group policy in Windows Server 2022. We will apply this GPO to a specific organizational unit, name, restricted users, so only those users will get the map drive. So let's get started. First we will create a folder and share it on the network. You can use any local disk you want, just select the one where you want to store the folder. I am using local disk C because I have only one partition. Go to local disk C, open File Explorer, click on this PC, double click on local disk C. Now create a new folder and name it share folder. Just right click on here, go to new, click on folder. Rename this folder. Now right click on the folder, click on properties. Go to the sharing tab, click on advanced sharing. Check the box share this folder. Click on permissions. Give everyone full control or as needed. Click OK. Click apply. Again click OK and click on close. Our folder is now shared and accessible on the network. The network path will be /dc01 /shared folder. Now open the group policy management console on the server. Press Windows+R, type this command and click OK. This will open Group Policy Management console. We will now create a new Group Policy object and link it to the restricted user organizational unit. Expand forest, expand domains, and expand server22.look. Now find the restricted users organizational unit. Right click on the restricted users organizational unit. Select create a GPO in this domain and link it here. Name the GPO. I am using map network drive. Click OK. This policy will apply only to users inside the restricted user organizational unit. If you want this network drive to be mapped for all domain users, not just for a specific organizational unit, then instead of linking the GPO to an organizational unit, you can simply link it to the domain itself. That way, the policy will apply to every user in the domain. Now edit the GPO to map the network drive using group policy preferences. Right click on map network drive, click edit, navigate to user configuration, open preferences, open Windows setting, open drive maps. Now right click on the right side, click new, click on map drive. Let's fill in the drive mapping details. For action, select update. Choose the location. In my case, the location is /DC system name, again backslash, and the folder name, shared folder. And check the reconnect box. and for label as section, write shared folder. Now choose the drive letter. In my case, the drive starting letter is C. Click OK. This configuration will map the drive for all users in the organizational unit when they log in. Now go to a Windows 11 Pro client that is already joined to the domain. Log in with the user that belongs to the restricted user organizational unit. Log in to the client. Open File Explorer. Go to this PC. Right click on the this PC. Click on Map Network Drive. You should follow this sequence, double backslash and your system name. In my case, the name is DC01. Again backslash and the folder name. The folder name is shared folder. Click on Finish. Now you should see the new map drive with label shared folder. As you can see, the drive is mapped successfully. The user now has access to shared folder on the server. That's it for this video. You have learned how to map a network drive using GPO and apply it to a specific organizational unit in Windows Server 2022. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. If you want a video on any specific topic or GPU setting, let me know in the comments and message me directly. Thanks for watching. This is Beth. See you in the next video.